Go, 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 go.
That's next.
So shouldn't it? It should.
There's no weight, so might as well. Hell yeah.
Right here. This is express.
We don't need express. There's no weight.
Say this is the tram for
Good luck. Damn, there's some bomb alcohol here, Haley. Haley! You saw their alcohol?
Yeah. Watch next year, it's okay. Right over here. Line up for 12 hours. You guys got on the right trams. Literally the Purge tram.
I guess we line up on a star. Together or no? Together, this side. Should have got that corner. You should have got the corner. You get that side, I get this side.
It is Purge night. That's right, folks. It's that special time of year where all crime, including murder, becomes legal for the next continuous 12 hours. But you don't have to worry about any of that because the area of the lot we're about to take you to has been declared a Purge-free zone. Wasn't that nice of the Founding Fathers? Now, folks, to give you a rundown of all the party planning festivities that we've got planned for you, we're going to throw it over to party planner extraordinaire Miss Jules. But it only takes one bad apple to spoil the barrel. But, folks, we're not going to let that wet blanket spoil all our fun, are we? Because guess what? The next stop, the Purge party. Right up here on the left-hand side is going to be the... Oh, come on! All right, so the bad apple's on the side of the tram. Rick, that means we're going to have to take her back. You know that, right? Man, my night just got way more complicated, but yours got way simpler because guess what? It's the end of the line for you folks. That's right, everybody. Get off my tram. And folks, Purge ever after. Forever Purge. Now get off my tram. That's right, folks. The door's
Hurry. I'll delete some right now. Hold that.
bro.
He said, ding.
That shit.
Blessed be your founding fathers. Blessed be your the nation reborn.
Ice for you.
Alan's already there. Alan's sore.
Good workout for him. So good. I just realized, did he have school today?
Yeah, we got him out. He said fuck school. Huh? No school for Alan.
Psycho what? House? Psycho?
What is this? Let me ask.
To take a picture.
Oh, we could take photos here?
Yes, my set's over there.
Hey, you want it or no?
What is it?
It's Psycho House.
To walk in? Oh, it's
You take a photo with Psycho. You can't tell me that's not sick.
that is sick.
Now there's a bunch of people. There was literally only 3 people.
I'm about to get stabbed real quick. It's okay?
Never give me anything cool. It's actually kind of cool to be able to walk through.
Oh shit.
Rule yourself.
Andreas is like, I want to record. Everybody in the USA. What happened? Where's the music? It would have been better if they kept on playing that song. It would have been fun. I'm terrified of cowboys. He's scared. Oh hell no, it was too warm. I don't know what the fuck. Leave me alone. It was scary, it was fucking warm. I didn't know if it was real.
What?
Bitch, you were this close.
Hi guys, continue up. We'll get you on the next one. It's right here. All the way down to the top, guys. This one's leaving.
Run, run, they're leaving us. Yeah, right.
This is first maze of the night. Yeah, second already? You guys are getting on it. All right, well.
Hold on. All right, go ahead, go ahead. Hurry up, Alan.
Hey, welcome back on the tram, everybody. Man, there's so many of you. They did a really bad job at killing everybody. Not to worry. I'm sure we'll get you one of the other mazes. In fact, I reckon one of my good friends will probably do a pretty thorough job of getting anyone left over from the Purge. His name is Michael, and you might be familiar with him.
That was short but sweet. Are we going? Thank you, Haley.